Hello, hello, hello. I think it is still morning, is it? Let's see. Yeah, about 15 minutes more of morning left. My name is Vicki Wooden. I am the iaso tea lady. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to make your iaso tea. Okay, because some of you received some free tea from me this week, and I want to make sure you know how to prepare this. Okay, so it came in a package like this. You also received some packages like this. I'm going to show you how to make them. Okay, so with this package, what you do is read the directions on the back first. There's 2 tea bags in here, but this doesn't make just 2 cups of tea. Hold on, let me turn this little glare off. Okay, this makes a gallon of tea, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you pour a quart of water in a pot and put it on the stove and let it come to a boil. When the water starts boiling, turn off the heat, take this off the heat and set it on a towel on your counter. Set it on a towel or a cooling rack or whatever, okay? Then you're going to open this package, tear it open, and you're going to put both of those tea bags in that water. That water is still hot, but it's not on the heat anymore. And then cover it and let that sit for 4 to 8 hours. The longer you let it sit, we call that steeping. The longer you let that steep, the more potent your iaso tea is going to be. Okay? The tea bags are still in there 8 hours later, which now my 8 hours have passed, and I'm going to show you what I do next. I get a container like this. I got it you can get these at Walmart. There's a store here called Big Lots. I got it, I go to Big Lots and just buy them because sometimes I give my tea customers these containers. I love it because it has a little spigot on it, okay? And this is not going to take up very much room in my refrigerator, and I'm going to show you. So, take that top off and carefully, I'm going to pour my tea in here. Make sure my spigot is down. This is strong tea. This tea will help you lose 5 pounds in 5 days. You drink this with your meals, and it tells you that on the back of the container. Then you're going to get those tea bags out of there and put them right in there. 2 tea bags. They go in there. Then you're going to add water. I like to use the alkaline waters, okay? The tea seems to work better, but you can use distilled or stream water, whatever kind of water you want. And you want to fill this up now to the 1 gallon mark with water to make your gallon of tea. And this is the tea that you will drink over the course of this week. 8 ounces with lunch. Did I look at the right thing? Is that the, yeah, that's it. Is that the gallon? No, that's the gallon. 8 ounces with lunch, 8 ounces with dinner, 4 ounces with a snack. All right. Put your top back on. And now I'm just going to slide this into this little skinny section in my refrigerator. It's just sliding in the side there. Now when I want tea, because you're going to drink 8 ounces with lunch, 8 ounces with dinner, 8 ounces is only a cup, okay? So I just go here. I'm bringing y'all with me. Hang in there. Okay, can you see it? There it is. See? It's just taking up that little skinny section. So now all I have to do when I want my tea is just go with my little cup. Flip the spigot. Boom. It don't get no easier than that. And you drink that tea with your lunch and dinner. 8 ounces. 8 ounces is a cup. Okay? Now, so I also sent you the instant tea. Okay, excuse me. My nose is trying to run. Sorry about that. Excuse me, pigs. All right. So I sent you also the instant tea when you signed up for the Get Fit in 90 Days Challenge. What you do with that, get a bottle of water. This is 16 ounces. You can use it in 16 to 20 ounces of water. I pour a little bit off. Open up this packet. These are instant, okay? By the way, that tea in the refrigerator is ready to drink now because it's already steeped. So here's the instance. I like the instance because you can just keep these in your purse, in your car. See, I just poured it in there, that bottle of water. Put the top back on it. Both of these teas are decaf. There's no caffeine in them. Okay, get your, oh, might as well pull your gut in while you're shaking. Pull your butt in. Woo! Gut butt shake right here. Yeah. Shake it real good. Now you will drink 8 ounces of this one before you eat. Okay? This one you drink with your meals, but if you're going to drink the instant ones, you drink them before your meal or in between your meals, okay? So say that you drink this in between your meal and then you're ready to eat. What do you drink? H2O, water, okay? Because that's very important, all right? So there's no excuse not to lose weight with this healthy tea. If you have any questions, call me, all right? Or call your iaso tea rep. I ain't trying to steal nothing, but I want to make sure that everybody knows how to make your teas, okay? I love you. It's time for me to go and eat lunch. See ya.